Hi team. So today we're going to see, how to clear Dokploy unwanted Docker and Docker images. See, when you go here, right? If you see, the disk space is 190.5. I mean, technically for me, my disk is like around 400 GB, but currently it's saying like it's used like 200 GB. But I'm not running anything, worth to 200 GB. But how it says like it's 200 GB is running? So the main thing, Dokploy have one small problem. You have something called, server and cleanup. Like example, you can clean up this. When you do this, right, it will try to clean up your server and unwanted used like unused images, unused volumes, everything it will clear. But is it actually clearing it? No, that's a problem. So when you go here, so if you see here still 19 point, 192, it's clearing it, but it's not always actually clear it. Example, see now if you see this little 191, right? See what I'm trying to mean is when you do this, it few times it clear, few times it won't clear. That's a problem. Okay, it's not like stable stuff. Okay, so what exactly I do to clear this? So I have one command called like uh, docker system prune a. This is what it'll do, right? Unwanted images, unwanted volumes, it will clean it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to the web server, go to space, like not space server, and then the terminal. I'm going to run this, right? So when you run this, it's trying to clean all unwanted containers, networks, anonymous volumes, anything is there. Just put it and hit it like. So it take few minutes to clean up. When I go here, I go to Dokploy, right? So I can see it's like let it run, right? It's running still. We have to wait for few minutes, maybe. See if you see that.
1 hour later.
That now 185. It's like it's going to clean more. It's not like around. See, for me, if I'm not wrong, my whole size will be less than 100 GB. That's what I'm anticipating it. Maybe it's like 120 GB, something like that. But let's see, right? So it's see when I refresh it, it's 118. So it's cleaning up. If you see that, like it will take some time to clean up. For example, I think like it will take around 2-3 minutes to clean up. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about it. So it's good, right? See, even though we have an option here, go here, clean all. What is clean all? Clean unused image, clean unused volume, stop the containers and these things, right? But when you clean up, it's not cleaned everything. So that's why explicitly I'm going and saying, okay, just clean these things, right? This is one of the trick I usually to clean up the unused size. See here, it's still going it. So I think it's still go like or another 20-30 gp to clean up. But it's good to know, right? So this is what I'm trying to mean, like even though they have an option, it's not working properly. So like we did other way to hard mode to do that. So yeah, happy hacking. If anything I found like this later also, I keep you guys posted. But yeah, it's still going. It will clean. It will take some another 5 to 10 minutes to clean up one by one. But yeah, so this command helps us. That's what I'm trying to mean. So I'm going to give this command in UT command UT description, so you can take and watch it away. Thanks for seeing that. Bye bye. We'll see you next video.